Welcome back, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. This is the 10th and final week of the Beginning 5K program. This is day 64. You guys are amazing. You all deserve some applause. We're really proud of you guys. Let's get moving. All right, day 64. You guys are on a roll. You're gonna have this thing in the bag this week. It'll be done. It's been a long time, 10 weeks, and this is it. This is it. You're down to the final few days, so don't give up now. Just keep hitting play. You'll get through this 5K. And I'm gonna hand you right over to Coach Robin with the program. Here she is.
Hello, my running friends. You are definitely runners now. We are this close to the finish line, and so this is our last week. So it's been a great 9 weeks leading up to this, and we've done all our work, and we've slowly increased our distance, and I can basically see the finish line from here. So I'm so excited for you guys. We are going to get this done. So today we have 3 miles on our plate. The race, remember, is 3.1, so we're not doing the whole distance, but we're doing 3 miles. But you did 2 3/4 last week. So no big deal. We're going to get this done. We're going to practice our breathing. We're going to practice our posture. We are going to remember race day. We're not going to eat anything different or wear anything different than we normally do. So we're just going to do what we do, and we're going to get out there. So I'm going to do my warm up and do my run and cool down afterwards, and then I'll be back in to check with you guys. So have a great run today. That was a little bit of a hot one today. It's about 80 degrees here in Oceanside. So I don't know what it's like where you are. Some of you might be in the desert, some might be hotter, some might be in the swamp and it's more humid. But whatever it is, we got it done. We took our time if we had to. And if we had to walk because of the heat, we had to do that too. Doesn't matter. Just do the distance. That's what's really important. So, and what else is really important, guys, is while you're getting healthy, is to get your nutrition right. So we need to make sure that, if we're working out, we fuel ourselves for our workouts. And, if we're not working out, and you just happen to catch this, we need to fuel ourselves for daily life. We want to be healthy. We want to get to our optimal weight. And, if I don't know if you know, I'm a health coach, and that's what I do. So I am happy to help you with that. So just comment below and I'll reach out to you, or send me a private message on Facebook and I'll reach out to you there. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, my information is there too. It's everywhere. So anyway, that was a great run. Tomorrow we bump it back down to 2 miles. So only 2 miles, right? Who thought we'd be saying I'm only going to run 2 miles? Well, we're only going to run 2 miles tomorrow. So I will see you then. Have a great day.
All right. You got the first day done of the final week of this Beginning 5K program. You guys are doing marvelous. We're very proud. So make sure that if you like this program, you hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified every time we put out a Healthy Living video, which we put out every week. And make sure if you know anybody who can use this 5K program that you share it with them, and that way they can join in on all the fun. And we will see you tomorrow, guys, and you are almost done with this program. See you tomorrow.